Hi everyone, welcome back for day 2 of the LDRS Creative Getting Ready for Christmas features. Today's card only uses die cutting. There's no stamping at all. So if die cutting is your friend, this might be a really great card for you to replicate. I have the plaid cover plate dies 1, 2, and 3. I've cut 2 of them from white cardstock and 1 of them from gold. And I'm just going to kind of play around and alternate these layers and see which design I like the best. And I have a red piece of cardstock to go as the background. I have the large Christmas word dies, and I've cut "'Tis the Season" from white and the shadow from the same shade of red as my background. Then I also took the Myrtle Leaves die, and this is from a previous release, and I cut 3 colors of green cardstock from this die. And as I laid these dies or die cuts down onto my desk, I found that I really liked the arrangement. Originally, I was going to have this kind of coming in and down on the whole left-hand side, but I really liked just kind of arranging these and having them come up from the bottom. They looked like a pine sprig almost. Once I got them arranged the way I wanted them, I grabbed a couple pieces of masking tape and held them together, and then I'm just going to go from behind and add little dots of glue. I am making sure that I get glue onto at least part of every single one of these pieces. Now, if I don't get glue onto each individual leaf on each stem, that's okay. Some of these I'm going to be able to lift up and move around, and that's going to just give me even more dimension. So I'm just going around adding little tiny dots of glue, and then once I have that done, I'm going to just grab all of these pieces, and because they are held together with the tape, I'm working kind of with one piece instead of individual dies here. Then I'm just going to use my poker tool and just arrange things the way I want them to be, give them a nice press with my fingers, and then hold that down until it dries, and then peel off that tape, trim off the bottom, mount my sentiment with foam tape, and this card is done. I added some clear shimmer to the sentiment just for an extra bit of shine, but you can skip that step if you want. This card would be great, maybe not for mass producing because there's quite a bit of die cutting, but you could create 5 or 10 of these relatively quickly and mail them out to special people in your lives. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!